So these are my delicious pulled mushroom tacos with sour cream and cilantro-lime sauce. They're oil-free and gluten-free. If you like fun foods that are easy to make and taste delicious, you'll love these. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. All right, today it is pulled mushroom tacos, one of my favorites. You're gonna love this if you make it. Let's talk about what we're gonna use to put these together. We're gonna start with some oyster mushrooms. Now, oyster mushrooms along with lion's mane are two of my favorite mushrooms for dishes like this. They are great. Now, often when I do recipes with mushrooms, people will ask me, well, where do you find these beautiful mushrooms? I'm having trouble finding them. For all things mushrooms, not only where to find them, but what mushrooms you can sub for other mushrooms if you don't have them for a particular dish, as well as just, the health benefits of them. I have all those kind of things in my app, in my HV app. You can find it at hveating.com for all things mushrooms. We're also going to use some sprouted corn tortillas. Now, some people feel like they don't want to eat corn because corn's not a healthy food. I don't eat corn that often, but when I do, it's important that it's organic, and in this case, sprouted. If I'm just eating regular corn, it just needs to be organic and local. That's my preference. When you have something like this, though, organic and sprouted, I'm okay with it. This is a 2-ingredient tortilla, so it's just corn without all the other, preservatives and additives, so I'm good with this. Now, these spices alone would give these tacos a really good flavor, but we're gonna take it to the next level by adding some delicious options. This is my HV pico de gallo. We've got a little chopped cilantro, we've got an avocado, some HV sour cream, and some HV cilantro lime sauce. The cilantro lime sauce is one of my most popular recipes. Absolutely delicious. Now, you can combine these two sauces on your taco, or you can put one or the other. Now, the recipes for the pico de gallo, as well as both sauces, are going to be in the descriptions below, so you can check there to see how to make these to add to these delicious tacos. Let's start putting these together. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the core and pull the mushrooms into small strips. All right, so now I've pulled my mushrooms into the size pieces that I want for these tacos, and this is what it looks like. And keep in mind, it's not just trying to have a meat replacer when you're using mushrooms. They're super health promoting. Oyster mushrooms in particular are very high in spermidine and ergothioneine. You can look those words up. As I said, I talk all about the health benefits of about 5 or 7 different mushrooms in my Healthy Vegan app. Okay, let's keep going here. Next, it's time to add all of our different spices to the coconut aminos and get that mixed up. Then I'm going to add this mixture to the pulled mushrooms and get it mixed really well also. All right, so now I've got the mushrooms seasoned really well. Let's get them on the pan, in the oven, and then go to our next step. Now, once the mushrooms are added to the pan, you want to spread them out nice and evenly, and then we can get them into the oven. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. Okay, so now I've got my pulled mushrooms cooked. Now it's a matter of putting it together in my little assembly station here, and then we'll give it a taste. Okay, so I'm starting with some mashed avocado, but guacamole would be another great addition to these if you wanted to do that instead. Next, I'm going to top them with the delicious seasoned pulled mushrooms that I made earlier. Then it's time for some pico de gallo, and then some cilantro lime sauce and or sour cream. And keep in mind, though, I'm doing these on a corn tortilla. You can also use a flatbread instead. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm a big fan of cilantro. It's so good, and it's a great detoxifier, so I try to use it all the time. Even though we have the cilantro lime sauce, I'm going to add the finishing touches with some chopped cilantro. All right, so they're done and they look absolutely delicious. This is the best of both worlds, guys. These are going to taste great, and they're so easy to make. And keep in mind, you can dress your tacos any way that you prefer. This is a great combination, in my opinion, all HV style. These are going to be great. Let's have a taste for you, of course. I think you know what's up. These are delicious. Gotta make them. So if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipe to the videos like the one you just watched, look below the video and tap on the word more. You'll see the beginning of the recipe. Tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.